They lived next to dinosaurs, can leap 20 times their body length, and can be found on every continent besides Antarctica. And they kind of look like little goblins. They're frogs, and I'm gonna tell you just a few of the ways they're incredible. I promise it'll be riveting. Hi, I'm Miranda Cosgrove. Welcome to the STEM Loft, where the landlord said it wasn't haunted, and was honestly really weird about it. From memes to plushies to puppets, everyone loves frogs. And frogs have conquered more than pop culture. There are about 7,000 frog and toad species across the globe. You can find them in the desert, the Amazon rainforest, and even the Arctic Circle. In fact, frogs make up almost 90% of the world's living amphibian species. Earth has been blessed by frogs for almost 200 million years. That means frogs have been hopping around for more than 100 million years before T-Rex appeared. But frogs aren't just cute. They're unfortunately delicious. I mean, they're not my favorite, but frogs are eaten by snakes, lizards, birds, small mammals, humans, and even other frogs. Millions of years of being a popular item on Mother Nature's menu has led to some incredible adaptations. Let's start with the eyes. Most of the time, animals have eyes on the side of their head if they're prey animals, and eyes facing forward if they're predators. Frogs were like, nah, we're doing something different. The enormous bulging eyes of frogs sit on top of the head and can see to the front, to the sides, and even partially behind them. This also lets frogs sit underwater while their eyes scope out the world above. Protecting those gorgeous peepers is a special extra eyelid called a nictitating membrane. This thin membrane can be drawn across the eye to keep it clean or damp. While swimming, it can function like a set of built-in goggles. But frogs use their eyes for more than just looking at stuff. They also help the frogs swallow. Yep. Once a frog has grabbed some dinner, the frog depresses those eyeballs into the roof of its mouth, pushing the food down its little froggy throat. They need that help swallowing because the frog's tongue is attached at the front of the mouth. And this tongue is a wonder. Frog tongues are made of some of the softest natural materials known to science, 10 times softer than human tongues. That softness, combined with special saliva, can act like a viscoelastic fluid, which helps them grab their prey faster than a human can blink. Scientists are actually studying frogs to help develop the next generation of adhesives. Another incredible adaptation that some frogs have evolved is poison, like really, really powerful poison that's deadly and comes from the glands of their skin. The tiny golden dart frog, for example, is one of the most poisonous animals on the planet. A single frog has enough poison to kill 10 adult humans, and they're brightly colored to signal to predators to stay away. So they're very cute, but messing with them can be really dangerous, like me. There are so many amazing things about frogs, like how they can drink through the flesh of the tummy or breathe through their skin. But probably the most important fact about frogs is that they're in danger. Frogs are especially sensitive to changes in their environment. So habitat loss, pollution, climate change, and the infectious chytrid fungus has decimated populations around the world. The International Union for Conservation of Nature says over 40% of amphibians are threatened with extinction. To save our froggy friends, we can do frog-specific things, like not buying captured wild frogs as pets, and not releasing invasive fish species into ponds. Or, if you're into that type of thing, eating fewer frogs. Maybe even 0 frogs. If I can do it, so can you. But the biggest help for frogs are the things we can do to help the overall environment. Things like habitat restoration and reducing pollution and pesticides. If you help the environment, there's a good chance you're helping a frog. Hey, it's Miranda Cosgrove, your favorite host of Mission Unstoppable. I'm the only host. And if you want to watch awesome STEM videos and exclusive Mission Unstoppable clips, just make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell.